So last week I shared 30 sites that daily or regularly post fully funded master's, PhD, and postdoctoral positions. And I am guessing you've been trying to make use of these sites. You've been visiting them regularly, checking out for fully funded positions. But let me share with you how you can intelligently get to use these sites to find positions daily. In fact, you don't need to click all 30 of them to find positions in your respective area. You just need to load in your CV and allow an AI model do the search for you. So let me show you how you get to do this. Now, don't forget that in this channel, I share with you graduate positions. I share with you tips on how to win fully funded positions that are always advertised on a daily basis in several websites, on social media, on LinkedIn, and the rest. So let's dive just in and see how we can use that beautiful AI model to assess all of the beautiful parts of the fully funded positions that are available on the internet. Okay, so here is ChatGPT, and I am doing that workflow showing you this concept using ChatGPT. I can also show you with DeepSeek, but let's begin with ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and upload your CV maybe in a PDF or in Word document. Just upload your CV to ChatGPT, and when you upload it, ask this prompt, build this prompt. Do you understand the content of this CV? And allow this friend some time to tell you that, oh, I understand the CV belongs to this person. This person has this. Now, once you're sure that it understands the content of your CV, I will now quickly go back to LinkedIn. And when I get there, I would copy all of the uh, 30 websites that regularly post fully funded MS and PhD position just this way. I've pasted, I think up to 30. Let me go back and copy it and make it up to 30. Okay, so I've copied all 30 different websites that does post fully funded masters and PhD positions. So I'll do a prompt. I'll say, um, using the content of the CV, using the content of the attached CV, search these websites for uh, advertised advertised fully funded masters or PhD positions related to the research interest or research area of my attached CV. And you put all of those sites just that way. Attach CV. You want to be sure that the search is open, because this is leveraging a live search of this website. And so just click on search, and this guy will search the web. It's searching the web now. It's looking through all of those 30 websites. It's taking its time, and it's going to list for us uh, positions that have been advertised in this channel. So based on the research interest, it's going to give me all of this beautiful search. Now, it has the possibility of having nuisance. Don't worry about that. You're just going to refine and refine and refine until it gives you some very good positions. So I've refined the question again, and it is now giving me a right side. It's saying, based on your CV and research interests, these are some of the positions that you qualify for and the advertised positions. I can check on this to see if it is true, if it is a current position, if it is not hallucinating. Okay, so I do a quick check. This is the due date is April 28th. of 2025. So this is a very current position. Let me see if it meets my interest. About the campus, about the research, the photonic electron acceleration lab at Hebrew University is doing that, and doing that. And I want to check. Degree in physics, electrical electronics. Wow, that is what I have that. A background in light optics, I also have that. Minimal programming experience, I have that. Excellent English skills, I have that. In lab experience with lasers and light optical setup, advantage not required. And is it fully funded? I want to be sure that this is a fully funded position. Uh, I want to go down, fully funded, fully funded. Yes, it is a fully funded position. And there is a payment attached. So yes, a monthly scholarship ranging from that to that, which increases annually. Typically, PhD students are also employed as teaching assistant, earning salary along with associated social benefit. Wow. So this is a fully funded position. I am qualified for it, and this AI model has just helped me search for that position. Now, another advantage is while I'm still there, there are also um, other funded positions that have been posted around this place. I want to go back to the next, back to ChatGPT, and it's posting a PhD position in time resolve terahertz, and I want to look into that position to see again if it is not hallucinating, if it is a current position. Yes, it's a current position. Closing date is August of this year, and all of these, and PhD for physics and applied physics, PhD for novel photonic, and PhD here, PhD in quantum acoustic, and these are related PhD positions to my CV. And so, using some sites, I just pick up some sites, put my CV to ChatGPT, prompt the right, and it does the work for me. I don't begin to search all the website because all the website may not have positions that relate to my research interest, but ChatGPT can help me narrow down the search. So this is ChatGPT, and it narrows down the search immediately to places where I can find fully funded master's, PhD, or postdoctoral position that relates to the content of my CV. So if you have an academic CV there, go and load into ChatGPT, copy the site on my LinkedIn, and put into ChatGPT and allow it to help you do a wonderful search. Don't forget that in this channel, I share you content and share you tips and share you tutorial videos that can help you win a fully funded master's, PhD, or postdoctoral position very fast. So you want to subscribe, you want to share this video, you want to turn on the bell so that next time I share something important, something wonderful, you are about the first person to be reached. Thank you for watching.